Alright guys, Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now in my last video, what I did was show us several websites where we could go promote our affiliate product for free, run your campaigns practically for free, 100% free. But one thing I didn't mention in that video is the fact that for people to stop by and click on your ads, your sales copy must be very attention grabbing. All right, your headlines must be able to stop people on their tracks. All right, and this determines the rate of conversion that you get. All right, now doing this shouldn't be like reinventing the wheel. It should be something that should be able to do easily. Now the top secret strategy is to spy on what other people are doing, spy on your competitors' ad, spy on their sales copy, and reverse engineer their sales copy and watch yourself succeed with your campaign. All right, so if you're going to spy on your competitors on native ad or Facebook ads or whatever ad platform, all right, it requires that you use what we call ad spy tools, and most of the ad spy tools out there are paid tools. That means they are not free. All right, they are not free for you to use. You have to pay to use them. And what those ad spy tools does is to show you what your competitors are doing. All right, what their sales copy look like, what country the traffics are coming from, or they are targeting, and what segments, what, give you a lot of information about what they're actually doing on those maybe native ad platforms. All right, now what I intend to do in today's video is show you this free ad spy tool that you can use. All right, it's a collection of successful ad copies or sales copies. All right, this particular free ad spy tool has several collections, have collections of successful sales copies or ad copies that you can reverse engineer or tweak and use them for your own campaign, and I bet you you're going to succeed using them. All right, now, but before I jump into this video, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, hit the notification button, leave a like, leave a comment, and then if you have questions, ask me questions, and I'm going to be as prompt as possible to answer your questions. Alright guys, welcome back. My name is Maz White, and I make 100% of my income using the internet, and one of the ways I do that is through affiliate marketing online business. Now, I've been on the internet for a very short time, but I've been able to create an online business that generates income for me even when I'm sleeping. Now, if you want to make legitimate money on the internet, not less than $2,000 every month, using affiliate marketing online business as a business model, and at the same time working from the comfort of your home, don't forget to check out the link below this video of my crash course. All right, now what this crash course is going to do is to lead you into the training that held me by the hands and showed me how to win with affiliate marketing online business. All right, so at the end of this video, go click on that link to get your hand on my crash course. All right, now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to ask questions if you have one. Having said that, let's move straight to the video of the day. All right guys, welcome to another of my video. All right, now if you're coming across my video for the very first time on the internet, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Now what I do on my channel, if you look at my channel, you're going to see a lot of videos here. All right, these are resources that you can actually leverage to scale your affiliate marketing online business. All right, I upload videos consistently, at least a video every week, to help you to make money online if you're into affiliate marketing. All right, so in today's video, like I said earlier, I made a video last week where I pointed out several platforms where you can go promote your affiliate offers, especially from Clickbank. All right, and then I failed to make mention of the fact that in order to have clicks, to have people click on your ads on those platforms, you need to know how to write your sales copy. And I said that writing your sales copy shouldn't be a difficult one. All right, and what do I mean by sales copy? For example, if I click on this the 12-minute affiliate system, all right, you're going to see the sales copy. This is the sales copy. Okay, we are waiting for this to load. Now, the sales copy is the first thing that appeals to anybody who gets on your web page. For example, if you look at here, you see facts. If you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. This is
in this quick video, I'm going to share with.
All right, this is what we call a sales copy. All right, and the amount of sales you're going to make, or the amount of conversion that you're going to experience in your affiliate campaigns, is dependent on your sales copy. Your sales copy is simply the words that you put down on your web page. For example, this is a good sales copy. So when you pick up affiliate offers, you're going to be running campaigns, you're going to be running ads. All right, maybe paid ad or free ads. You're going to be running contents. All right, and the words you put down on these contents matters because it determines the result you're going to have. All right, so but this doesn't have to be difficult anyway. All right, I know that quite a few affiliates out there are going to say, how do I write something like this? More especially if you're just starting off, how do I write something like this? It is not difficult. So I'm going to show you a website where you can go reverse engineer what successful affiliates, successful campaigns. You're going to look at, spy on successful campaigns, reverse engineer the successful campaigns or the ads, and go use them for yourself. For example, this is a Facebook ad. Okay, this is a Facebook ad by Smart Blogger. You can see how the sales copy is. It's quite attractive. All right, this is a sponsored Facebook ad by Smart Blogger, and when you read the words on the ads, you're going to see what it looks like. The 31 most profitable niche for bloggers. All right, so in your affiliate campaigns, you're going to be doing things like this. Or if you're running, these are also examples of native ad. If you look at this native ad, you're going to see the speech every woman should hear. All right, these are sales copies, and the intention of this sales copy, or the writer of this copy, is to stop you on your track and have you click on his ad. All right, and have you go through his content. And like I said earlier, this is very, very important. It's so important that you know how to write attractive sales copies. All right, now to do this, remember I made mention of the word. I said the simplest way to do that is through reverse engineering, to look at what other people are doing and go pick on those things, study them, reverse engineer them, or you tweak them to get results. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you this website called swipe.co. all right, swipe.co. all right, now on swipe.co, you're going to have examples of successful campaigns, ads, successful ads, all right, on every niche. All right, so if you're promoting weight loss offers from Clickbank, or you're promoting make money offers, whatever thing you're promoting from Clickbank, health, fitness, anything from Clickbank, okay, you can go to this particular website called swipe.co and go spy All right, go spy on successful ad copies. For example, if you come down here, you type in, let's assume you're promoting something like beauty or weight loss. All right, let's look at something like fitness. Let's look at fitness. And all right, on fitness, you're going to see a lot of there are several ad copies, sales copies that you can copy. For example, if I click on this one, let's see what it says. All right, from the medical maverick who has poured new vitality into thousands of needlessly run down patients. All right, if you are over 30, this is the best exercise you can do for your face, your body, and your heart. All right, now this is a native ad. Okay, this is a native ad. So what you can do here is study this particular sales copy. All right, tweak it in such a way it fits into what you are promoting. All right, if you're promoting something that has to do with fitness, all right, you can pick up things like this, okay, tweak them or reverse engineer them and have them work for you. Okay, there are loads of them. I just showed you one. Okay, now also within this platform, you can like I said, it covers several niches. All right, advertising, alcohol, depending on what you're promoting from Clickbank. Okay, we just look at, okay, let's look at beauty right away and see what sales copy you can spy on, tweak, and use for your ad campaigns. For instance, this one is on wrinkle. Let's check out this swipe. This one is on wrinkle. Okay, and look at the sales copy. Say stem cells research reveals a secret to looking up to 15 years younger than your age. Reduce your wrinkles up to 56% the first month. All right, and you can see the result from yourself. This is absolutely incredible. All right, this is a classic example of a successful sales copy that you can actually tweak or reverse engineer and use for yourself. All right, so this website is called swipe.co. Okay, swipe.co. You can come out here, get on this website, look at successful ad copies and tweak them, reverse engineer them, and go use them for your own campaigns. All right, so if you're getting value from this particular video, please don't forget to leave me a like. Don't forget to leave me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, so the game here is to spy on sales copies, other people's campaign. All right, reverse engineer them, tweak them, and use them for your own campaigns, and watch yourself succeed with campaigns. All right, now if you click on all niches, you're going to see a lot of niches down here. For instance, let me look at hair loss. Okay, hair loss, or okay, let's say health and wellness. Let's click on health and wellness and see the results that we get. All right, look at this one again. This is on okay, let's look at this. Now these are things you can pick. I don't know if you're getting me. These are sales copies that you can spy on, reverse engineer them, tweak them, use them to promote your offers. For example, this one said the story of a 76-year-old man who got me into the best shape of my life. And things like this are quite attention grabbing. All right, so the intention here is for you to come on this website, no matter what is your niche, pick on sales copies, tweak them, reverse engineer them, and use them to promote your offers. All right, remember, the click-through rate is dependent on how attention grabbing your copies, your sales copy are. All right, now this one is on health and wellness. All right, a lot of what you can do with this particular website called swipe.co. All right, this is a free ad spy tool. All right, this is a free ad spy tool that you can use for your own campaigns also. All right, like for instance, this one is on business, e-business, and you can also look at this sales copy: 3 types of entrepreneurs, 5 ways to create business wealth, 1 decision action ways. These are attention grabbing sales copies. Attention grabbing sales copies. All right, so there is more that you can do with this website. Okay, there's more that you can do with this website called swipe.co. So if you're an affiliate and you're running campaigns, you're running promoting offers, get down to this website, find out the niches, the niche that you're into here. All right, click on that niche and see sales copy samples that you can reverse engineer and use for yourself. Okay, so that is it on this video. I had to make it very, very short because it's very, very simple. For instance, if you look at this also on marketing, have about 50 swipes, or you can check out what these are all successful sales copies, successful ad copies that you can use. A good user interface, a lot of them here. Okay, very, very simple to use. Let me show you. There's one particular one I had to save it on my all right, bookmark it. Now look at this. This is on business. All right, you can't buy this secret system unless you swear you never to reveal it to anyone else. Okay, now you can copy something like this, come here, tweak it, reverse engineer it, and use it for your own affiliate campaign. All right, very, very very important. Okay, so thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. God bless you. So get down to this website, check out what you can do with the swipes here. All right, the sales copy here. These are successful sales copies that you can use. Thank you. See you on my next video, and God bless you.